In this video, we're going to walk through what clients are inside of Monolith. From my Monolith dashboard here, the first thing we're going to do is go into the left-hand sidebar and come into the People section and click on Clients. And what a client is in the context of Monolith is just somebody associated with your organization. So for example, if you're doing casework for a particular person or group, you can add them as a client, and that way you can track all the cases that you're doing on behalf of that particular person. And we have documentation on this as well. We'll be sure to link to that in the description for you as well. So here on the clients page, you can see this is just a table of all the clients we have inside of Monolith. So table rules apply here. So you can filter, you can sort by clicking on these column headers. So for example, if I wanted to sort by state, I can click on this. Sorting once will sort it ascending. Clicking twice will sort descending, and clicking it 3 times will kind of clear the filter for us. If we wanted to change the columns that we can see in this table, we can click on this little icon here. And let's say we wanted to add city as well. We can check this box. That will add the city column. And if we wanted to remove a particular column, we can uncheck it, and that will remove the column for us. And last but not least, if we wanted to search, so let's say I'm looking for a particular client, we can type in the search bar here, and Monolith will filter those search results for you. So next, let's take a look at one of these clients here. So I'm going to click on Homer. This is the client details page. So up at the top, you'll be able to see the client name and the organization they're affiliated with. In this left-hand box here, you're just going to see a summary of the information we have about that client. So here you can see we have their name, their title, their organization, and below that we have any contact information we have for them. So things like email, phone numbers, mailing address, country, that sort of thing. Next, we have custom fields. So if you have custom fields set up for clients inside of your Monolith tenant, that information will appear here. And if you have any notes about this client, those will appear here as well. If you need to make edits to any of this information, you can click on this edit button here. And this will allow you to edit anything in this edit client mobile. So let's say I wanted to change this note, safety inspector. And then we can click edit client, and it'll change that for us here. In this center box is a summary of cases assigned to this client. So you can see here we have one case that this client is assigned to. Something I do want to point out to you is up here at the top, you'll notice this says My Associated Cases. So what that means is this is the case that I am assigned to, that this client is also assigned to. So if I wanted to take a look at all the cases a client is assigned to inside of Monolith, regardless of who is assigned to that case, we can click on this at the top, and that's going to open up a little drop down for us, and we can click All Associated Cases, and this will show us all the cases inside of Monolith assigned to that particular client. And then this is another table, so of course we can filter, we can sort, we can adjust columns, and we can search as well. And that is an overview of how clients work inside of Monolith. Thanks for watching.